Alberto Spineli and I come from Italy. I'm in the class 7I and today we are gonna see some experiments in Casa Experimental that is in Bucharest. Okay guys, let's go for the first experiment. This is the first experiment. Here we can see a liquid, magnetic liquid, where some bubbles, where there is helium in them, goes up in this liquid. Bubbles rise in a liquid because their buoyant force is larger than their wave. That is why a helium balloon ascends through the air, because the Archimedes force is larger than the weight of the whole balloon, meaning that the buoyant force is acting on them. The buoyant force is equal to the difference between Archimedes' force weight of the displaced fluid and the weight of immersed object in fluid. This principle is said to be discovered by Archimedes, who called out the famous Eureka, "I've got it," when he infamously discovered the law while sitting in his bathtub. For the second experiment, we are here. What is here? What we can see? When you rotate this thing, you can see that the small things inside are going laterally. When you stop it, they are going in the center where they were. In an essay on the origin of meanders in rivers, Einstein wrote, "I will begin with a little experiment that anyone can try it out of himself. Set the fluid in the teacup, rotating with a teaspoon, and watch the tea leaves start to collect in the middle of the teacup." A translation can be found in Ideas and Options, Bonanza Books, New York, 1954. You can do this experiment here, but on a larger scale. When you stop the vessel, the bottom of it acts as a brake on the spinning fluid next to it. This means that the centrifugal force is less here than higher up in the fluid, as shown in the sketch below. Let's go to the next experiment. Now, what you can find here is the theory of Pythagoras. Then, what we can see? In fact, all the water that is inside this square, if you move actually this circle, it will fill two of these small blocks here, like this. Pythagoras' theorem is to do with an equivalence of areas if the areas of two smaller squares add up to the area of the largest one. When you fit them together to form a triangle, the triangle will always be right-angled. This experiment with the fluid flowing from the larger square to the smaller ones shows this is true for the given triangle. Pythagoras of Samos, 6th century BC, was one of the most important mathematicians of antiquity. He can be regarded as the first pure mathematician we know about. The Pythagorean school of mathematics, which he founded, made a huge number of discoveries in geometry and number theory. As you can see, I'm the best musician in all the school. Anyone can do this, look. Isn't it well? I'm the beast. And also here, look at that. How magic I am. Now let's come here to see something else. Also here, by touching this, all the connection will come to your finger because you have also an energy. What you can see here, actually, this light, by this light, reflecting in this mirror, up there you can see is a rainbow. Guys, what you can see here, I'm a rainbow guy. In fact, looking there are 3 colors up there, green, blue and red. Then when I see here, you can see here is red, here is the blue and here is the yellow. Actually, it will be very, very cool if you dance here by, I don't know, seeing this in the camera. It will be like dancing with a music editing it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.